Have you ever noticed a slight tremble in your legs when you stand up too quickly? Maybe it's just a fleeting sensation, a little wobble that you brush off as nothing. But what if that small shake is actually your body's way of sending you an early warning signal? Or maybe you feel a bit unsteady going up a flight of stairs, needing to grip the handrail for support, even though you never used to. These moments might seem minor, but they can be the first signs that something deeper is happening inside your body. This isn't something to ignore. In fact, these subtle changes are often overlooked until they become more serious. But paying attention now can make all the difference in your long-term health and independence. Leg weakness is often one of the first, most subtle signs your body is experiencing a nutritional deficiency or the early stages of accelerated aging. It can be caused by a lack of essential vitamins and minerals, or even by not getting enough protein to support muscle strength and repair. Your legs are the foundation of your mobility, and when they start to weaken, it can impact your entire quality of life. Everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or even standing up from a chair can become challenging, affecting your confidence and independence. Many people dismiss it as just getting older, but it's often a direct result of what you're putting or not putting into your body. The foods you eat play a crucial role in how strong and resilient your muscles remain as you age. Today, I'll reveal the top 10 foods that are absolute powerhouses for rebuilding and strengthening your leg muscles. These foods are packed with nutrients that support muscle growth, repair, and overall leg health, helping you stay active and independent for years to come. Let's get started on building a stronger foundation, so you can move with confidence, energy, and freedom every single day. First up is spinach, a leafy green loaded with magnesium and potassium, two minerals essential for muscle strength. Spinach has long been celebrated as a nutritional powerhouse, and for good reason. Its vibrant green leaves are packed with nutrients that play a crucial role in keeping your muscles healthy and strong. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply want to stay active as you age, spinach can be a game changer for your muscle function. Magnesium is involved in hundreds of biochemical reactions, many tied to energy production and muscle contraction. It helps your body convert food into usable energy and is vital for the synthesis of ATP, the energy currency of your cells. Without enough magnesium, your muscles may tire more quickly, and you might notice a drop in your overall performance. Without enough magnesium, your muscles can't contract and relax efficiently, leading to heaviness and weakness. This can also result in muscle cramps, spasms, and even persistent fatigue after physical activity. Magnesium deficiency is more common than you might think, especially among people with active lifestyles or those who sweat a lot. Potassium works with sodium to maintain the electrical signals that tell your muscles when to move. This delicate balance is essential for smooth, coordinated movement and for preventing muscle twitches or spasms. Potassium also helps regulate fluid balance in your cells, which is key for muscle hydration and function. Low potassium disrupts this process, causing poor coordination and instability. You might feel shaky, weak, or even experience muscle cramps and irregular heartbeats if your potassium levels drop too low. That's why it's so important to get enough potassium from your diet, especially if you're physically active. Spinach delivers a potent dose of both minerals in one package. It's a simple, natural way to support your muscles without relying on supplements. Plus, spinach is low in calories and high in fiber, making it a great addition to any meal plan. A cup of cooked spinach provides a significant portion of your daily needs. Just one serving can help you meet your magnesium and potassium requirements, supporting muscle recovery and overall health. Add it to omelets, smoothies, or salads for a versatile boost. Spinach blends seamlessly into a variety of dishes, making it easy to enjoy its benefits every day. You can even stir it into soups, stews, or pasta for an extra nutrient kick. The chlorophyll in spinach also packs antioxidants, reducing muscle-damaging oxidative stress. These antioxidants help protect your muscle cells from free radicals, which can build up during intense exercise or daily activities. Make spinach a regular part of your diet to directly support muscle function and stability. With its unique combination of minerals, antioxidants, and versatility, spinach truly earns its reputation as the green powerhouse for muscle health. Next, salmon, a cold water fish packed with omega-3 fatty acids and vitamin D. Omega-3s fight inflammation, reducing soreness and speeding recovery after activity. Vitamin D, found abundantly in salmon, is crucial for muscle strength and function. Low vitamin D is linked to decreased lower body strength. The synergy of omega-3s and vitamin D makes salmon a must for anyone wanting stronger legs. Choose wild-caught salmon for the best nutrient profile. Eating salmon 2 to 3 times a week can noticeably reduce stiffness and boost leg power. You're not just eating a meal, you're fueling your body's repair and strength. Greek yogurt stands out for its concentrated, high-quality protein and calcium. Protein repairs and rebuilds muscle fibers after daily activity. Greek yogurt's amino acids are the raw materials your legs need for recovery. Calcium supports bone density, providing a stable foundation for muscle strength. It also plays a direct role in muscle contraction. Choose plain, full-fat Greek yogurt for maximum benefit and minimal added sugar. Add berries or nuts for extra nutrition. A daily serving helps ensure your legs get the protein and calcium they need. It's a simple, delicious way to support both muscle and bone health. Eggs are a true nutritional powerhouse, packed with high-quality protein and a wide range of essential nutrients that are crucial for building and maintaining strong, healthy legs. Whether you're an athlete, a fitness enthusiast, or simply looking to support your everyday movement, eggs deliver the complete package for growth and energy. The protein found in eggs is considered complete because it contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs, but cannot produce on its own. These amino acids are the building blocks for muscle repair, recovery, and growth, making eggs an ideal food for anyone looking to strengthen their legs and improve overall muscle health. Egg yolks are especially rich in B vitamins, including B12, riboflavin, and folate. These vitamins play a key role in converting the food you eat into usable energy, fueling your muscles during exercise and throughout the day. Without enough B vitamins, your body can't efficiently turn nutrients into the energy your legs need to move and perform. Another standout nutrient in eggs is choline, which is vital for brain health and supports fast, efficient communication between your nerves and muscles. This means your legs can respond quickly and powerfully, whether you're running, jumping, or simply walking up the stairs. To get the full spectrum of these nutrients, it's important to eat the whole egg, both the white and the yolk. The yolk contains most of the vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, while the white is packed with pure protein. Starting your day with 2 or 3 eggs for breakfast can provide you with sustained energy, help you feel fuller for longer, and give your legs the building blocks they need to stay strong and active all day long. If you want to take your nutrition a step further, choose pasture-raised eggs. These eggs are even richer in nutrients, including heart-healthy omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin D, and antioxidants that support muscle recovery and reduce inflammation. Don't skip the yolk, it's where the magic happens. The golden center is loaded with nutrients that support your muscles, brain, and overall vitality. Simple, versatile, and delicious, eggs are an easy way to power up your legs and energize your entire body, helping you stay active and strong every day. Sweet potatoes are the ultimate complex carbohydrate for leg energy. Their slow-digesting carbs provide steady fuel, preventing energy crashes and muscle fatigue. Sweet potatoes are also rich in potassium, even more than bananas, supporting muscle contraction and nerve function. Beta-carotene in sweet potatoes acts as an antioxidant, protecting muscle cells from damage. Bake, roast, or mash them for a versatile, satisfying side. Their fiber content supports gut health and nutrient absorption. Sweet potatoes deliver long-lasting energy, essential minerals, and antioxidants. They're a complete package for leg power and endurance. Add them to your meals for sustained strength. Your legs will thank you. Chicken breast is a classic source of lean, high-quality protein for building and maintaining muscle mass. Its protein content helps repair and grow leg muscles after activity. Chicken is rich in leucine, a key amino acid that triggers muscle protein synthesis. B vitamins in chicken support energy production and protein metabolism. Opt for skinless, grilled, or baked chicken breast to keep it lean. Including chicken in your meals provides the building blocks your legs need to stay strong. It's a straightforward way to combat muscle loss and weakness. Make chicken breast a staple for powerful legs. Quinoa is a plant-based complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids. It's perfect for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone wanting to diversify their protein sources. Quinoa also provides complex carbs and fiber for steady energy and good gut health. It's rich in magnesium and manganese, supporting muscle contraction and bone strength. Lysine in quinoa aids tissue growth and muscle recovery. Use quinoa as a base for salads, a side dish, or a hot breakfast. It's a nutrient-dense, versatile food for leg strength and recovery. Add quinoa to your routine for plant-powered muscle support. Almonds are a convenient snack packed with vitamin E and magnesium. Vitamin E protects muscle cells from oxidative stress and damage. Magnesium helps prevent muscle cramps and supports relaxation after contraction. Almonds also provide healthy fats, fiber, and protein for steady energy. A handful of almonds can reduce leg cramps and keep your muscles healthy. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for extra nutrition. Almonds are a smart, simple way to support nerve health and muscle function. Snack on them daily for stronger legs. Bananas are famous for their high potassium content, crucial for nerve and muscle function. Potassium maintains the electrical signals that control muscle contractions and prevent cramps. Low potassium can lead to weak, uncoordinated muscles and painful spasms. Bananas also provide quick digestible carbs for energy and vitamin B6 for metabolism. Their convenience makes them a perfect pre- or post-workout snack. While sweet potatoes have more potassium, bananas are unbeatable for on-the-go support. Add a banana to your smoothie or snack to keep your legs cramp-free. It's a simple, effective way to support muscle health. Cottage cheese is unique for its slow-digesting casein protein, ideal for overnight muscle repair. Eating cottage cheese before bed provides a steady release of amino acids while you sleep. This prevents muscle breakdown and supports growth during your body's natural repair cycle. It's also rich in calcium for bone health and selenium for muscle protection. Leucine in cottage cheese triggers muscle protein synthesis. Choose plain varieties and enjoy a small bowl as an evening snack. Turn your sleep into a productive muscle-building session for your legs. Cottage cheese is a powerful tool for overnight recovery. There you have it, 10 powerful foods to help you build stronger legs and combat weakness. Each food offers unique nutrients for muscle, nerve, and bone health. Start by adding 2 or 3 of these foods to your meals this week. And here's your bonus tip. Stay hydrated and keep moving. Water helps deliver nutrients to your muscles, and regular movement signals your body to use them. Food, water, and movement, the trifecta for optimal leg health. Here's to stronger, more powerful legs.